If you own a third-gen Tacoma, your factory floor mats are a joke. They slide around and get filthy fast. Today we're testing 3W Auto-Life floor mats, designed to fit like armor and protect your Tacoma from anything you throw at it. Let's do this. I can already tell that these are not like the OEM. These are much higher quality just by me lifting up. Then this is a driver's side floor mat, but just by lifting it up, I can already tell that it's much better. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the driver's side OEM floor mat on a third gen. I can wave it around, that's kind of floppy. Doing that here, it's not the same. It's much better quality. Yeah, look at this. I'm recommending these for the third gen. These look great. Check that out. It's well packaged. Let's open this up. They are made in the US. It's coming from Bridgewater, New Jersey. Box even has a nice handle. Let's take these out. Let's see what we got. Well, I can already tell by feeling it. It's got a good quality to it. So you got a set of instructions. 3W Auto-Life. Okay, things. Take out your old floor mats. Oh, nice. This comes with scent. White teas is what the scent is. Obvious thing is, take out your old floor mats and clean the carpets and put the new ones in, and note where each one goes because you'll have a driver and a passenger side. They're very distinctive. This one looks like it may be for the rear. Well, I can tell that these are much better than the OEMs. Alright, so that looks like that's for the rear. Oh, that's very nice. This looks like it's the driver's side. So, what we got here? Give your floor mat some time to lay flat to restore. Here is the passenger side. Alright, let's go see how they compare. Take out the old mats. Let's just compare it real quick. Hey, this is better construction than the OEM. And they are higher than the OEM as well, it looks like. They do look pretty good, and they got a nice texture compared to the OEM. Looks like these are a lot better. Put these in, and fit is pretty simple, just twist it. I think that looks a lot better. I'm pretty satisfied. Wow, it's pretty slick. All right, let's go here and let's take out the passenger side. We'll compare it. Quality is a lot better than the OEM. That feels like a rubber. This feels like a much better quality. So you can see there, yep, this will have to conform a little bit. Just give it some time. Let's go ahead and put that in. And made in America, so you give it some time, but that's pretty good. Not bad. I think I like that better than the OEM mats. All right, let's take out the rear. All right, let's go ahead and remove the OEM rear mat. Lay that down right there. Yep, I can already tell this is a better quality than the OEM. And it's got a little more, it is heavier, and I can already tell it's better quality just by lifting it up. All right, let's put this under here. It's looking pretty good. That's pretty good. That's really nice. That's pretty slick. What do you think about these floor mats from 3W Auto-Life? I think they look great. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Yeah, I'm recommending these for the third gen. Look how great they look. Driver's side and the passenger side over here. Yeah, these look a lot better than OEM. Hey, thanks for joining me today. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mtn Taco, out.